Multi-location posting is the easiest functionality to create one post to schedule across multiple locations. Once you have navigated into the location you want to manage, you'll go into the posting options and select the multi-location posting option. From there, you'll see we have different types here. So standard, event, offer, and alert. You can add your summary, so your content information here. You have the option to regenerate spin tags, insert post SERP URL, as well as insert previous business domain URL as well. You can add your photo or select it from our gallery with EXIF data as well. That's also an option for uploading. You can add your locations from the drop down here for multiple locations to add. If you have multiple locations grouped into one tab, you can go ahead and grab that from the tags option. You can also schedule this, so you can schedule at a specific day and time, and that will always post out according to the time zone for each of those locations. You can have this recur, so it could schedule out, say, once a week, so every 7 days, and you can have that recur, let's say, after 5 times it drops off. That is how you set that up. Pretty much just add your information in here, make sure all of your information is correct, before you go ahead and post this, select the different locations from the drop down, and you are good to go.